We're going to this farm. Okay, like 5 minutes, we're there. So this is the way going there. Yes, Kate? You're excited? Yeah, excited to go say hi.
Hi guys, good morning. We're going to the farm.
Okay. We're already in the farm. What are they, Kate? What are they? They are chicken. They are chicken? Huh? They are ducks. Wait, Kate, no. Not do that. Okay. See there, Kate. Snail, oh? Shell. Oh my God. It's crocodile? OMG.
I thought it's crocodile. What the?
It's not crocodile. Eh?
I thought it's crocodile.
Yay! You like the swing? Yes, this is a small one, only single. Okay, this is the place. Wow, very nice, no? It's the goat farm. Right? You like here, Kate? Oh, you cannot stop? Oh no. I need to stop you, right? You want I stop you? Oh, you can. Okay. Okay, let's see the goat. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Crocodile. She's giving food to fish. Right? Wow. Uy, you see? Okay. Let's look the goat there, over there. She said it's open already. Me YouTuber. Okay. Place. Wait, chicken. I have chicken also. There, I can see chicken. Oh, look. Wait, look. Okay, ready. Let's look the place. Wait, have goat. Wait for me. See, have goat. Faiz Dairy Goat. We're here. That's the place. That's the name of the place. Kate. Faiz Dairy Farm. Wow. Uy. Wow, very nice, right? Uy. What is that? Rabbit? It's a rabbit? Yeah? Can I see the rabbit? Ooh, the rabbit. How many rabbits are there? Oh, many, you know. I have a big rabbit. Ooh, what color is this rabbit? It's color black.
No!
It's not? What color? White and gray. And then how about that one?
This one,
What color?
don't know.
Oh, katay mamay na. Katay mamay.
เขาจะผสมพันธุ์
อ๋อผสมกัน
จะผสม
อ๋อดูที่พี่เกด
ผสมแล้วใช่ไหมก็อยากจะผสมพันธุ์แล้วอ้าวเหรอ
ผสมได้เหรอ
ตัวนี้อะตาแดงอะนะ
ตาแดงอะ
อยู่ตรงฝั่งนี้อะวันนี้เอามากลับไป แล้วตัวผู้ตัวเมียล่ะ
อืมผสมได้นะ
เนี่ยมองก็เหมือน
น่ารักเนาะ
มีไก่ไข่
ใครอะไรครับวันนี้
ไก่อะไรนะคะยูไก่อะไรญี่ปุ่นน่ะ
ไก่ญี่ปุ่นโอ้ไก่ญี่ปุ่นวันนี้ไก่เล็กๆด้วยโอ้
มีค่ะเยอะเลย
โอ้เยอะแล้ว
แกะ
นี่
ตัวนั้นน่ะ
โอ้เป็นโกดโอเคตอนนี้มีไอศครีมไหมครับ
ไอศครีมไม่มีค่ะวันนี้
วันนี้ไม่มีไอศครีมอ๋ออยู่ฝั่งนู้นได้ครับ
จะมีลูกแพะ
โอ้โหโอเคได้ครับโอ้ยเนี่ย Dairy Fair Dairy Goat Farm see they have horse too have horse and many goats you want to give me okay you give yes okay I have money นี่ give เลย put. Okay.
เนี่ย
Yes. Give money. Yes. นี่เลยใช่ไหมใส่ตัวนี้เลยเหรอ เออโอเค ก็ตังค์ใส่กันเลย
ใส่ได้
ได้
โม่ใส่ได้ให้เราก็ได้ หรือว่ายูวันจะเจอเคาน์เตอร์
โอเค ใส่นี่เลย เอาอีกไหมเกต one more you get one more
Daddy
okay get one more you put here not all a little by little you hold one more ครับดูนี่ก่อนแล้วก็ไปตรงนั้นโอเค you give food please ขอบคุณครับจ้ะอันนี้ไปได้เหมือนกันตัวนี้อันนี้อะไรอันนั้นอะไรนี่ ครับ Hey, Kate happy today. It's a goat. It's a baby goat. You look, oh, it's so friendly. You look, oh, it's so soft. Kate, you look, oh, it's friendly. It's friendly. I like this one. See, have this bell, oh. That one is so friendly. Wow, you look, oh. Later we wash our hands. Okay? Oh, what happened? The goat like you. Oh, give more? Okay, be careful. The horse? You see the horse? What color is the horse? Kate.
Go there.
Goat. Meh, 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 meh. Meh. Good. With the horse. Wait, you see the horse there? Okay, it's very good farm because no need to go outside Bangkok. It's here in Bangkok. So visit the Faiz Dairy Goat Farm. Okay, they have a lot of goats here. Hey horse, be careful on here. Boy, the horse like you. Boy, the horse is so big, kid. Wow. Yes, you can ride the horse. Oh, it's so friendly. Hello, horse. Say hello to horse. Oh, the horse is so big, right? Oh, go inside already. What? Go inside to its house. Wait, go inside. Wait. It can go inside. Hey, the horse. Hello, horse. Good. The horse is friendly. Can I hold? Horse. Uy, horse friendly. Hey, horse. Uy, hi, horse. Uy, so friendly, horse. Hey. You want to ride a horse? Kima, what they say? You can? Kima. Yes. 100
ขี่ม้ารอบฟาร์มที่200 บาทขี่ม้า1 รอบ
อันนี้ how many minutes?
3,000 อันนี้ถ่ายภาพอันนี้ป้อนอาหารขวดละ20 ล้าน
Oh, wow, very good. So visit this farm, Faiz Dairy Goat Farm. โอ้ย Kate อุ้มได้นะพี่เก่งมากเลยอุ้มได้โอ้ย It's a baby goat. Wow. You like that goat? Oh, it's so lovely. Okay. น่ารักเนาะน่ารักโอ้ยน่ารักโอ้ย going to me น่ารักเลยเกดน่ารักไหม You want to go back here น่ารักมาก But do you like it? Yes. This is the what color is that goat? White,
White and
brown.
brown.
This is lovely too, Can I see? Wait, it's like to run. Right?
เอาตีต้าหายไป
Okay.
ไม่ได้
Here?
ปุ๊บนะ
Poop already, This goat? Poop, Have many goat here. Right?
แล้วก็บอกว่าอะไร
Okay, you look here first. You look. Have another goat there. I think the father goat. Look. Father goat, huh? Uy. It's another goat. I think the boy. The boys. Right? The boys goat. The father.
I want to touch it.
Huh? Chicken, huh? Ooh. Chicken.
Daddy, I want to
Do? You want to give food to the horse? Uy! What is that? Donkey, huh? It's a donkey? Oh, ano yung donkey? Uy, donkey nga. Rock, ha? Oh, donkey na. Matini na kap na. Faiz, Dairy. Can you say? Can you read that farm? What is the name? Faiz. Can you say? Faiz,
praise
Dairy,
the
Goat Farm.
wow.
Okay, you can come here, no? Matini, no? Yeah, so that many people can go to this place. See, there are many horse. Can you count how many horse? Mikito, ah.
Uy.
Uy, what happened to that? It's playing. Kauday.
ไม่เป็นไรไม่เป็นไร
May palay, may kuha.
You go with me.
Go. May to kuha, do that. Okay, so that they can see, they can come here. Uy. See? What? Kauday. You see?
ใกล้ๆได้เนี่ยมันดูหัวได้นะ
You see? A lot. That horse is playing. Okay, can you hold again? Uy, it's their house. Uy, they're friendly. Uy, the horse very friendly, no? Yes? Oh no? Yeah. We go back here again, no? Okay. Wow. You tell your viewers come here, okay? No, you tell them. They can visit this place. Wait! This one is baby.
Hey, touch her and then I will.
Many horse here. Wow. Ooh. What color is that horse? Scholar. What color is that horse? Huh? Scholar.
White.
White. And how about this one? It's color
White.
red.
Brown.
Black. Wait. Say, I'm black. I'm not red. How about that one? Let's see. This horse. It's
Uy.
color black, have hair. Hey, look, it's so funny. It's so lovely. Wow. Okay. Wait, that horse, what color? Uy, so big. Can you hold? Oh, can I hold too? Can I hold? So friendly. Uy, horse. Ooh, so friendly. Yes. Uy. Ah, what is the horse saying? Huh? Huh, kid? Are you frightened? Okay. What can you tell to your viewers? You can come here to Faiz Dairy Goat Farm. You will have fun. You can ride the horse and you can feed the horse here. And some goats. Yay! Okay. I want a small one for you. Okay, you want to ride? Yes? Okay. You ride the horse. Huh? Okay. Wait. Are you excited? You want to try? Okay. So that one, next time if you're taller, you can try that horse. But you're still young, so you use that horse. Okay? So we can go back here. See? Titam, hi, do for you. Uy, try before we go to the cafe. Okay? Uy, are you excited?
Daddy, come.
Yes. Yeah, don't worry. He will prepare for you. He will help you. I'm here to take a video. Okay? To see the viewers can see this. Right? To tell them come here. Yeah? Yes? It's good place, right? Very nice place, right? Yes? Okay. Kate, the horse is coming here. That one, that horse for you. Or you want the big one? Not the big one, okay? Only that one. Okay, ready? Yay! Are you excited? Are you excited? Excited? Yes? I like to ride the horse. Yes? Okay. I'm excited to see you riding the horse. Fixing. Okay, horse, are you ready? Kate is not heavy. Okay, ready? Okay. This place, Faiz Dairy Goat Farm. Okay, many animals, farm animals. Okay, so Kate is over there riding the horse. So it's a very good experience to visit this farm. Very nice place. Wow! Kate, you enjoy? You enjoy? Yay! Yay! Kate, you enjoy? Huh? Riding the horse? Yes! You have fun? You hold. You hold. Okay. Have fun today. Riding the horse. Yay. Yay. Hey, so let the horse rest because the horse is tired. Okay? Okay. Wait first. So you need the chair. Okay. Good job. What will you say to the horse? Thank you. So, oh. Okay. Thank you also to him. Okay. So what will you say to your viewers? You can come to Faiz Dairy Goat Farm. No? Okay, bye-bye. Again? Later. We eat. We give again later. Okay.